take a look at the export command. I will go ahead and create an object, a rectangle. (100, 100) rectangle, and maybe more object here. Or I could make an object from polyline. Press C on keyboard to close the object. Remember, you must use lowercase to press C and enter. If I go ahead and click this object or this rectangle, the object is one complete object, so each of these lines is associated with each other. So what the export command does is, I will go ahead and block this object, then I will select export command from the panel, and it's done. You can see the rectangle turns it in basically to 4 individual line segments. So if you ever need to break something apart into individual components, the export command is tool to use. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.